Hey chocolatiers, my name is Renee, but you can call me Coco Renee, and thank you for coming back to the chocolate factory. So today I just did this look. It's something that I will do like every day, keep it real simple and not doing too much. So this is the look. It's very glowy, very simplistic. I mean, I added drama with the falsies, but you can just leave that out. So if you just want to see how I do my just simple, everyday, trying to be, extra put together look, just stay tuned and keep watching. And also while you're at it, you might as well to subscribe to the channel. Might as well just subscribe, leave a comment, put on the notification bell so you can be a chocolatier too. So once again, just enjoy the video and thanks. Bye. Hey, this is my voiceover, and I have this intruder on my face. Like, what is that? So I'm using the NYX primer to blur out my pores, and then I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C14 to underscore my brows, get them on fleek. Then I'm using a mini buffing brush from Morphe to blend out the concealer. Then I'm using Makeup Forever foundation in the deepest shade and blending that out with the beauty blender, and I'm bouncing that booty across my face like Patrick Star be saying, to get it all seamless and together. And then I'm going to use the midnite cream eyeshadow in the color Midnight Brown. I was so happy when I found this because it's hard to find contour shades when you dark skinned, so this was a steal, and it was only $7. Then I'm gonna blend that out with the beauty blender, get it all together. Then I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution concealer again, but in the shade C15. And I'm using the Beauty Blender to blend that out as well. I'm adding another layer. And then I'm going in with C14 for my nose bridge to have it more highlighted, to make it look like my nose is snatched. Looking crazy with the orb on my face, but it's alright. And then I found the brush that I usually use, the mini buffer brush that I use to blend out my concealer, and I didn't do that. So now it's more together. With the brush, it makes it more opaque versus the beauty blender, because the beauty blender, sucks up all the product. So that's why I love using this Morphe 173 brush. And I'm just going on top of that with the beauty blender, and I'm setting it with the Laura Mercier powder in translucent. Then I'm using this LA Girl brow pencil in the shade Blackest Brown. Then I'm using their Real mascara, the little trial version or travel version. Then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm using a darker shade in that, getting that glow beaming. And I'm putting that on my highest part of my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my brows, under my brows. And I'm using the Torrid clear gloss, setting it with the Freedom setting spray. And you can stop right here, but nah, I'm not doing that. So I'm adding some falsies on top of that. I'm using the Duo Lash Adhesive in dark. Oh, if you wanted to, these expensive, these is red bottom. I'm feeling myself. Hey, let me have this moment. I'm quick, so don't get comfortable. Look. Hey. And so now I'm getting my tweezers, popping them lashes on. That is the drama, honey. And then I'm getting a black eyeliner. And that is all. Thank you so much for watching, and stay golden.